Most guys in today's society have softened to the point where they no longer take pride in being males. In addition, we increasingly witness virgins, males, and non-leaders in relationships in the current world. Males who are not financially secure and men who are subjected to abuse and exploitation by women. Therefore, why is this happening now when it was not as common in earlier generations? It is safe to conclude that the majority of societal issues originate from the family and the home, especially given that the majority of households are headed by single mothers or broken families. We know why there are so many issues because boys in particular suffer greatly when there is a poor family structure. Young boys in today's world who don't have a strong father figure in their lives will eventually lack direction, due to society's emphasis on empowering women and urging them to take a back seat. We have grown soft despite the fact that women are terrific, but they cannot educate males how to be men. Men formerly had the confidence, aggressiveness, strength, and passion to drive. They worked diligently and had a strong sense of purpose, but these days, few men possess those attributes, and I find it perplexing that some men today want a woman when they lack any masculine characteristics or are in control of their life. Let me tell you the truth. Until you start getting your priorities in life in line, you shouldn't be in any relationships if you can't be a man. But because of who you are, you expect a woman to stay with you even though you desire to be impoverished. And for you, like you, I hate to break it to you, but ladies don't like weak men, and they won't like you either for that matter. Women are conditional in their affection, and those conditions are based on your wealth, likewise the kind of man you are. You will catch after dealing with ladies if you are a weak jelly Batman who elevates and treats them as superior to you. Because it's what they do to survive, women have no trouble using and manipulating males, as you can see. You think that if you simply act nice to her, she will adore you for who you are. You believe that all you need to do to win her love is to simply be yourself. You think that women should be pleased to have you and that you must obtain them for nothing. No, I don't want any of whatever you people are smoking. You can't expect to be middle class and broke and still expect ladies to call you. I'll be honest with you all, I adore women and the sensation of being inside them. But they are just people to me, nothing more. I don't regard women as superior. I don't think the women I'm working with are superior to me. I don't make an effort to please women. I don't prioritize women either. I chose to spend my life in that way. I switched, and I soon discovered that I had more success with women after doing so. You must approach this life realistically. It is not your duty to take care of others or serve ladies on this planet. If you are a believer, you should live your life for yourself and your God. Women of faith ought to come in last. Many men don't take life seriously, but you guys think that this life is a trial run for the one that you are meant to live. I'll tell you something, this is the only life you have. When your time is over, you cannot return. So ask yourself, am I truly going to chase women for the rest of my life? If the response is affirmative, stop watching this video right away. But if the response is negative, I advise you to start prioritizing yourself over women. Are you working hard? Do you stay at your job till you pass out from exhaustion? Do you give up happiness and fun to increase your monetary balance? Do you have more than one job to make enough money to advance in life? Do you think you are too skilled for employment? Do you frequent pubs and clubs to let your hair down, but you are bankrupt? You shouldn't even consider dating if you don't have enough money saved up to cover 3 months' worth of bills. You don't need a woman if you have a poor credit score and are in debt. Get your priorities straight if you moan about being lonely but have no assets. Your priorities are off if you don't have any insurance, whether it be life or health insurance. There is no one coming to save you. Therefore, you cannot expect women to want you as a man if you do not go out and work for what you want. Everything is in the grind. Without the grind, one is worthless. I want you to realize how important it is to work and support yourself. You may have a crisis or incident that changes your life at any time, but instead of becoming ready, you worry about her large butt and cheeks. You spend a lot of time playing text games on your phone rather than preparing for unpleasant situations. Due of this, ladies are turned off by you because you lack ambition and are lazy. Most of you don't have $5,000 in cash on hand. Nonetheless, you are doing so here for her sole fan account. What happens if there is a financial crisis and the banks are short on cash? So what do? I want you people to truly understand what matters in this world. It's not women, I assure you. 9 times out of 10, women can't help you with anything. But women are present in every choice you make. The feet. Have logic. Get your priorities straight. You should be pursuing the bag and working, not women in general. Next, I notice that you males don't take leading a healthy lifestyle seriously, which is hurting your future. I'll be honest, Right now, my condition isn't the best. I chose to prioritize working and earning money on purpose. I won't be a hypocrite then. However, some of you guys don't care about your health at all. And notice that many of you are overeating junk food, smoking marijuana, and drinking alcohol frequently. Health is everything, let me tell you that. Without health, nothing matters. Therefore, if you don't take care of your health, you might not live as long as you would like. At the very least, women want you to look nice. You can't expect to be overweight and to be able to choose from among the best women. Unless you're wealthy, we need to be practical. If you're seriously out of shape, you'll undoubtedly find it difficult to attract ladies. At the end of the day, I want you guys to live long, healthy lives. However, it's up to you to put in the effort to lose weight. Start eating healthier, work out at the gym or at home, visit the doctor and get your meat checked annually. Visit the dentist and receive routine massages. Visit the barber and have a male manicure and pedicure, etc. Stop wasting money on ladies and take care of themselves, you guys. Women prioritize their health more than men do, which results in longer lifespans, so start making your health a priority. We discussed the importance of prioritizing your financial and physical well-being, which is something every man should do. You must now improve your mental state. You'll need the ERP to figure out how to deal with women and go through this environment. You'll need to be familiar with female nature, warning signs, family court rules, and how she lies and manipulates. How can you guard against erroneous allocations and the like? By watching this channel and other ERP-related stuff, you can learn these things, because you aren't taught about women by culture, to better oneself and think wealthy thoughts. You'll need to read literature and surround yourself with individuals who think and live the way you want to. Continue to push yourself and venture outside of your comfort zone. Visit a therapist who wants to help you and not keep you as a long-term patient if you have mental health concerns. Get enough rest, participate in new activities, learn something new, and have sex. If I can't attract a lady, I don't want to be told how to have sex. You can pay someone to bust your filthy nut instead because you have service providers. Rather than paying a service provider, go generate more money, and then, to acquire free sex, you would rather waste time running a game on women. I offered you options so you could ultimately achieve what you wanted, but feel free to do as you please. Sex is what you want. Therefore, you have two options. Pay for it yourself or improve yourself so that someone will want to gift it to you. However, you must pay in either case. Having said that, if you use the advice given here to better yourself, women will want you. Although this will increase your chances, you still won't get every woman you want. Even without the woman, you'll be a better version of yourself. If you don't put in the effort, none of this will work. Therefore, it is up to you to decide. Only the well can be reached by me. I can't make you drink though. What I can say is that I'm using this knowledge right now, and my life right now compared to 2 years ago is like night and day. I will therefore continue to develop myself. I encourage you to better yourself and stop putting so much emphasis on women when I can see the great effects in my own life. There is an adage that states that after obtaining wealth and power, women will follow. That advises me to prioritize myself and the things I care about over women. If you agree with this message, click the like button and leave a reply below. Do you believe pursuing women is worthwhile? I'll conclude by saying this: you can only pursue one of these goals at a time, money or ladies.